All right, so the first thing we look at when we see a picture like this, we find anything that we can write down straight away. I'm seeing this triangle here, and I'm wondering whether I can put a measurement in here, and I think this is x over here because it's an isosceles triangle and the base angles are equal, so that's definitely an x there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put an x there to see how that might help me. That's great. Next thing, I'm seeing some parallel lines, so I can see a parallel line here, and I can see a parallel line here, and so there's definitely some kind of connections with the parallel lines and these angles here. And so 40 degrees here, this must make up to 180, so that's pretty important. So this guy here must be 140, all right. So that might help me. We've got x here, we've got x here, and we should be able to find out what this is here. So let's just go ahead and try and think about that. So if I put a little dot here, we know that the dot plus the y has to equal to 140. So the little missing angle there must be 140 minus y. So now we can put 140 minus y here. And now find an equation of x in terms of y. Well, we can see that there's a certain triangle now that we've identified in this section. And we know that all these angles must add up to 180. So we can write that down as an equation now, that the 140 minus y plus the x plus another x, that must make 180. And let's see, we want to have x in terms of y. So we can go tidy this up a little bit. This is 140 minus y plus 2x equals 180. If we solve for 2x by rearranging the equation, we can see that 2x here, we can subtract 140 from both sides. So that'll be 2x on this side, but we can also plus y to both sides. And that will leave us with 180 minus 140 plus y. So 2x equals 40 plus y, and then finally you can see that we've got a little divide by 2, and so x equals 40 plus the y divided by 2, and we can just leave it like that. No need to divide each of the individual pieces. That's just a nice final finish.